Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Algebra, June 14, 21 variant, this syllabus. Now issue is how to solve the question. Majority student multiply like this is here and here. So it's wrong. And the reason is what I said a lot of time when we see denominator. If something common, then we go for LCM. If not common, then okay. So but see here, we have a LCM. How to find LCM? X minus 4 whole square, comma, x minus 4. So from both values, what is common? X minus 4 is common. Out of two values, one gone, one left, and this is one and this one left. So when nothing over, finish, I can't take common anymore. So this into this into this LCM. So LCM is actually this. Okay. So let's start. So LCM is this one. So naturally, we need x over x minus 4 whole square. Here I have x minus 4 already, but I need one more. So more means multiply up and down with x minus 4 and x minus 4. With multiply with the same, so LCM is very clear. So I get LCM is x minus 4 square. This x as it is, and this 2 going to multiply inside. Okay, so x as it is, and 2 times 2x and minus plus 2 for the 8 over x minus 4 whole square. And final answer, if you solve them, minus x plus 8 over x minus 4 whole square. So that's it, question is finished. Let's go for the next one. Here he asking solve them simultaneously. And what is rule? I can do two ways, elimination method and substitution method. So I think elimination is easier. Here 6, here I need 6. So how to make it 6 into 3 throughout? Okay, some student, we do both are plus sign, we need different. So some student multiply 3 or some doing minus 3, both are correct. And some student multiply into minus 3 and then add them, and some multiply 3 and then subtract later on. So both are correct. So if you like, I multiply into minus 3, no problem. So multiply with the minus 3. Okay, minus 3 here, we got minus 6. Minus 3 here, we got plus 9, and minus 3 here, we got a minus 42. Okay, now this is copied, and this is copied, and this cancelled, and I got a 13y, and I'm getting here minus 39, and it goes there, it comes minus 3. So we got a first answer. This value of y you can put anywhere. I put in a first one. So 2 times 2x minus 3 times 2y equal to 14. And this minus 3 comes here. So 2 times 2x minus plus 9 equal to 14. So 2 times 2x, 14 minus 9. So it gives you, I think, 5. So x becomes 5 by 2. We got two answers clear. Okay, so this part is clear. We got both answers, x and y. And let's go for the other part. Other part says what here? Yeah. Next part he's asking here to solve x. Some student trying to bring it there. No use. Simply multiply inside. X into x gives you x square minus 4x equal to 6 plus x. Bring here, reorder, this is minus 4x, this is minus x, this is minus x equal to 0. Solve these two, you get a minus 5x, the reason because minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. Okay, now we have two choices. Either go quadratic formula or factorization. I think so, factorization is easy. 6 ones are 6. And we have two choices, 6 ones are 6 and 3 twos are 6. If I choose this one, and negative and positive, and here both negative. So let's see, problem is that when I multiply them, I get minus 6x squared. So I need such a pair which I even multiply, get this answer. But here if I multiply minus into minus, I get plus. So this no use, and this useful. So I write x here. So this is important. So minus 6x plus 1x minus 6 equal to 0. Write it any order. You can change the order even, no issue. x common, x minus 6, 1 common, x minus 6, and x minus 6 and x plus 1. So either first part equal to 0 or second part equal to 0. Here comes x is equal to 6, here comes x is equal to minus 1. Both are correct answers. Let's start here. This is two-term factorization. This is called three-term factorization. Okay, I do parallel both, or I can do separate, and then combine. So both are correct. No issue at all. Okay, this is a formula I always explain. This is a square of A minus square of B. Answer come one time plus and one time minus. So same property. This is square of what value? Y. This square of what value? 3. So answer come y plus 3 and y minus 3. Okay. So let's talk about the upper part, lower part, sorry. So 15 to the 30, you multiply first and last term, I get negative 30y square. Now check first term copy without any change, last term copy without any change, and we search here two numbers such if you add or subtract you get a minus 1, and if you multiply you get 30. So I think so many factors are there, like 30 1s are 30, 10 3s are 30, 6 5s are 30, okay, and 15 2s are 30. Many ways are there, but this is suitable. Reason, because if I subtract them 6 and 5 I get a 1, so it match. So because I need minus 5, so bigger number, negative, smaller number, positive. So I can say minus 6y and plus 5y. And interesting, if I multiply them, I get minus, look, plus into minus minus, 6 5s are 30 and y into y square. Correct. From here, what common? 2y common. I got y minus 3. From here, 5 common, and I got y minus 3. So, don't some student try to cancel here. No way. If you cancel here, wrong. Why wrong? Because the plus sign by adding. So when is multiplying concept, they can cancel. Like this match, so common out, y minus 3 left. What left? This and this left. So 2y plus 5. And this cancel, and this is my answer. Okay. And that's it, and question is very, very clear.